Let's go! Finish with my woman, and she couldn't help me with my mind. People think I'm insane because I am frowning all the time. Oh, all day long I think of things, but nothing seems to satisfy. Think I lose my mind if I don't find something to pacify. Can you help me occupy my brain? Oh, I need someone to show me the things in life that I can't find. I can't seem to find the key to happiness. I must be blind. Oh, no. Come on. Make a joke tonight with sighing. It will laugh and I will cry. Happiness I cannot feel it. Love to me is so unreal. As so as you kill these words telling you now of my state. I wish I could enjoy life. I wish I could, but it's too late. Thank you. Cheers.
Kelly's first. Wow, Zach, what a start. But Kelly, what did you think of Zach's performance tonight?
Yeah, I didn't write anything down, I just wanted to enjoy it. And I think that's your screen note is like my new favourite sound. Oh my God. I know there was talk of you doing this, I think, on the online season, and you opted to do a different song.
Yeah, it was a different version
Yeah, I'm
of it.
so glad you did this live. Honestly, I thoroughly enjoyed it. There's nothing that I feel like I can say to you. I would buy your album, I would come and watch you if you're performing live. I loved what you did. You brought such an incredible energy to the show tonight. It was amazing, really was. You blew the roof off the place. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Zoe?
Yeah, I couldn't fault that performance, to be honest. It was a perfect song choice for you. I definitely feel like the rocky sort of stuff is a really strong point of yours. Your range is incredible. Your mic control, everything about that was fab. You smashed theme week 1. Well done.
Thank you.
Louise?
Yeah, Zach, I absolutely loved that. I love that it was high-paced, high energy. You didn't sabotage your vocal though, it was still spot on all the way through. Them screams, no way, they were smashing. And I love your voice on rock. Like, I think you did, was it Another Brick in the Wall? You did another series or something? Yeah. I love your voice when you're doing this type of music. Like, honestly, it really is your forte. Well done, mate.
Thank you very much.
Zach, what can we say? Right, we're 3 weeks in. You definitely played this right tonight with the choice that you went for. I know the theme was Uptempo, but in terms of what you've done, from what we've seen so far, where you've kind of been stripping back songs and making them that rocky sort of stuff and that, and the one that you showed me and that, this was very, very different to that. So this, we really got, I think for Uptempo, this was perfect for you. Nevertheless, like nothing, like vocally, we can't fault that, alright? In terms of the performance tonight, I do feel like you could have done a little bit more.
Yeah.
But that's something that, like, in terms of confidence, you get more comfortable with. But other than that, the vocals were exceptional. The scream notes were exceptional. You should be proud of yourself. Well done.
Cheers.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.